Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to order any product on Meesho. So for that, let's start the video. Firstly, download it from Play Store and then open it. Here it is. Now give it some permissions and select your language. Here I am simply going to select English. Select that product which you want to buy. Here this app is saying to sign up to unlock great deals. So tap on continue to make your account. Firstly, we have to make the Meesho account. Here it will detect your mobile number automatically. After that, click on the continue option. And this is the only simple step for creating your account. As here you can see one account option at your right hand corner at the bottom. By clicking on that, you can see your account. Now let's choose any product. Here I am going to choose this white color top. Scroll down, select the size and then click on the buy now option. Here it is giving you two options. If you will choose second option, then you will be only able to return wrong and defective items. But if you will click on the first option, they will allow you to return all the products. Now click on the buy now option. Now click on the continue option which is at bottom. Here you can see some payment methods. You can either go with cash on delivery by using which you can give your cash at the time when delivery boy will come at your home, or you can also use online payment methods like PhonePe and UPI. After that, click on place order option, and this is how you can order any product on Meesho.